Hi guys, this is Asad from with you once again, and today we are changing this Honda CBR mirrors. We just took a smaller and slimmer mirror. This is the one instead of the original ones. Instead of this original ones, we are changing it to this slim one. It is universal. It can fit most of bikes, and all you need here is just a Allen key size 5 to open this two screws and then fix this one. This actually it comes with the Allen key also, and it comes with the screws as well, but the screws are chrome, so we are going to use the original ones, the black one as well. And for the old one, you can just do. Okay, so this one, it comes with rubber, protecting rubber. Actually, I see it's better idea than the original one. Before you adjust the screws, up and down, it's better you just sit on the bike, do the adjustments, rotate it up and down, and check when it's suitable for you. And as you can see, the difference between this one and the original one here. When all done, you can just tighten it. On the other side as well, we can do the same procedure. Don't forget to wipe underneath.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, drive safe.